Welcome back to the Priceless Pearl Life with me, Katrina. And in today's video, it's another cook with me. We have an air fryer salmon recipe. So let's get to the kitchen. So I'm checking to make sure that I have all of the necessary ingredients for today's recipe. Well, I have everything, so let's get to cooking. I'm going to wash my salmon, and then I'm going to pat it dry so that my seasonings will nicely adhere to my meat. Because you know, I don't want no bland salmon. I want lots and lots of flavor. So a light drizzle of olive oil, and then I'm going to rub that in so that my seasonings will adhere to my salmon. No worries if you didn't see my seasonings, because you know the full recipe will be down in the description box below. Mix everything well, and then go ahead and rub and massage and coat your salmon. If you don't like these seasonings, other options include using smoked paprika, using Dijon mustard, or mustard powder. Those are a few extra options for this recipe. Quick little tip, it is always best to preheat your air fryer. That allows your salmon to have crispy edges. Make sure not to overcrowd your basket. The type of air fryer as well as the thickness of your salmon will determine your cooking times. However, your salmon should be done within 7 to 9 minutes at 400 degrees. You may also use a thermometer, and your salmon should have an internal temperature of 145 degrees. If you don't have a thermometer, no worries. Use a fork. We all have a fork. And when your salmon flakes off easily and the inside is pink, well, just know it's done, sis. It's done, sir. To all of my loyal subscribers, welcome back, and one big hug from me to you. Thank you so much for coming back week after week to support me here on the Johnson Ranch. But if you're new here, don't be a stranger. Go ahead and like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell twice so you never miss an upload from the Priceless Pearl Life. My mother always taught me to share. So this bite is for you. But this bite, oh, this bite is for me. And if you haven't already, make sure to check out my fall living room. As well as my fall coffee. Well, you know we're Team Tea, our tea and beverage station. I'll make sure to link those videos down in the description box below. And until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you in my next video. Make sure you're following me on IG and Facebook. It's the Priceless Pearl Life. Videos are posted on Tuesdays and Fridays, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a few more, sprinkled in between for your viewing pleasure. Home decor, shopping hauls, DIYs, cooking, baking, and so much more.